Hello everyone, welcome back to ChemONotes, your one-stop destination for smart and effective exam preparation. Today we are continuing with MHSET Solved Paper 1, March 2023, and this is Part 3. If you haven't watched Part 1 and Part 2, I have added the link in the description. Do check it out after this video. This video will be solving the next set of questions from Paper 1 with ease to understand, explanations, important concepts, and quick tips that will help you to boost your confidence for upcoming exam. Make sure to stay tuned till the end because I'll be sharing small changes, questions for you all. So let us start. So let us start part 3. Up till now, we have solved from question number 1 to question number 30 in our part 1 and part 2. So we'll start from question number 31. You can see here question number 31 and 32 are based on the following information. The following is distribution of number of companies of different types in different districts of the state. So basically in the table you can see type of industries they have given, and they have given the districts, 5 districts, and number of companies in those districts they have distributed in the table. So based on this table we have to solve the question. Question number 31 is for which type of industry the difference between district E and B is maximum. So now you have to only concentrate on district B and district E. Okay, so let us solve this. So how we are going to begin with this, that is we are going to concentrate on B column and E column. Now what they have asked the difference between E and B, which is the maximum, which industry is going to show you maximum. So each and every all the 4 which are given in the options we have to solve. So we will try to solve for engineering. Okay, engineering and allied. Now in the exam while doing the rough work, don't write so much. Okay, you can even just write option A instead of writing the whole name. You can, because you have to solve it in fraction of seconds. So for option A, let us see, it is engineering and allied. So for engineering allied, that is the last option. What is the number of E is 166 minus 76. Okay, so you are going to find out how much it comes out to be. So for you I'll solve it out. It comes out to be 90. Similarly, B option, let us see, agro based. So for agro based it is 165 minus 86. So it comes out to be, agro base comes out to be 79. Okay, similarly C option is chemical base. So let us see for chemical base, it is 154 minus 86. Correct? It comes out to be 68. And the last option D is textile industry. So for textile industry it is B is 92 and this is 132. So 132 minus 92. You don't even have to solve this because as it is both the numbers, the first number is lesser than the, or we can say smaller than the previous ones, and the second number is larger. So you don't have to waste time in solving this. But still I'll give you the answer how much it is, 40. Okay, so by just seeing at the numbers you can guess whether it is bigger than the or smaller than the first one. So you can see, if you see all the answers, your option A is having the maximum difference. So engineering and allied is the answer for question number 31. Okay, so this way we have to solve this. The next one is Now the next 32nd question is based on the same table. So let us see this table again, which was even for 31, question number 31. Now for question number 32, what is the percentage of agro-based industries in district B? So let us see. For district B, you can see here, okay, and agro-based they have said. So district B is 86, but they've asked us the percentage. What they've asked? Percentage. So you have to take the total. So out of total, it is 86. Okay. So we have to find out the percentage. That is for 100. So for 100, how much it is? That we are going to find it out. So let us solve it. 86 divided by 500, because 500 is the total here. You can see here. Okay. Into 100. So it comes out to be 17.2%. So option B is the correct option. Now question number 33rd is not based on this table. It is different question. In a certain state, 60% are married employees. So what they are saying, married employed are 60%. Okay, let me write it as ME, married employees. Those are 60%. Then and 52% are graduate employees. So the given data is graduate employees are 52%. What else they have given? They have given that 32% are neither married nor graduate employees. So they are neither married. Okay. So I'll write down NE and ME. That is 32%. So find the percentage of married and graduate employees they've asked. So what such type of questions we can solve by short tricks. Let me tell you the short trick for this. Otherwise we have to do this by very long method. Okay. So what is the short trick for this? That you will be drawing these given data in a chart form, graphic form. Okay, that is Venn diagram. We call it as Venn diagram. So in Venn diagram you can show, because they are saying that there are some employees may be married and some employees who are married may be graduate also. So the Venn diagram will be intersection of both. Okay, so let us say that this is ME, that is married employed, and this is your graduate employee, GE. So married employees are how many? 60%, and graduate employees are 52%. Correct? So here, whatever is the intersection between these two, that will be your what? Because they are saying that there are 32% which are not employed. Okay, 32% are not employed. So basically, if we consider that out of 100, suppose there are 100, this whole circle is about 100. Out of 100, we say that 32 are neither employed nor graduate. That means how many? 68. 68% will be there who are either graduate or employed. Okay, what does this mean? 68% indicates that they are either graduate or they are what? Employed. Correct? So if you do in this way, what will happen? You will find that now the total of married, that is ME plus your GE, how much it is? 60 plus 52. It comes out to be 112. Okay, so 112, if you subtract 112 minus 68, so you will get minus 68. If you subtract these two, you will get 44, and that means this intersection which is here, I'll just show it with blue color. Okay, this part, intersection of the two Venn diagram circles, these will be 44%. Okay, so this comes out to be how much? 44%. That means your option D is correct. Okay, option D is your correct answer. So this is how you have to find it out. You have to only just make the total of 60 plus 52%, because we are talking in terms of percentage. So you do the sum and subtract from whatever you have got the total here, that is 100 minus 32, because 100 minus 32, the 68% indicates what? It indicates they are either graduate or employed, married. So graduate and married, we are getting this 68%. Okay. So this way you can solve the numerical based on percentage, and at least one question is always asked based on the percentage. Okay. So let us